Do you really want to come with me? Am I really your father? I need to take this from back. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's go explore the big blue world!
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo!
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now!
Nemo!
Oh, science right there! So good to know! Like more explorers this time of the show!
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son!
Oh, I can help!
Oh,
It's Nemo!
where?
I don't know where. That's why I'm trying to find him. Nemo! Where are you? Stop playing the game!
I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something easy and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games! Dory, do something!
Hey, Scooby Dog. Can't catch me. Look, I'm scared now.
I wonder if you should
Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful bite!
check out the mini marlin! Whoa! Okay, little dudes, get ready to ride!
I get to see a good root canal.
Great! Take me with you. I mean, it's a nice